everyone, Letty here. Today I'm going to be using the Not Too Shabby Shop stamp and die set of the month called SweetHearts to make 3 cards using some sketches. Welcome everyone. So I'm on the design team for the Not Too Shabby Shop for this term. Here is their logo. I'm going to link a website link and a discount code down in the description box below. Today I'm going to be showcasing the SweetHearts stamp and die set of the month for December. This is still available. You can get the stamp and the die set. Here are the images that come with this set. Really cute, super fun, perfect for either winter or spring or Valentine's vibes as well. Look at the really intricate die cutting on this with that die set. That's what I really like about these Not Too Shabby dies. They're just so intricate. And then so these were the projects that I made in my first project share. I'll list that video down in the description and also in the end screen as well. So I made 3 different projects here. And then in my second project share video for the month, I made this SlimLine card and a mini SlimLine, and I'll again link that video down below and in the end screen as well. And then I did do a bonus project in one of my hauls where I made these 2 cards as well using this stamp set. And then today I'm also going to be bringing in the December paper pad subscription of the month, Snow Fantasy and Sweet Love. So this is the first one, Snow Fantasy. You see, they have my scraps. It's so cute. So it has snowmen vibes. It's got some little girl divas that are ready for winter. There's mugs. There's, you know, drinks. It's so cute. It's so cute. And then Sweet Love, this one's perfect for Valentine's. There's little bears and cupcakes and little like coffee cups. It's just so super cute as well. So this is the paper pad subscription of the month. If you sign up, you get both pads, and that's available at the Not Too Shabby Shop as well. So, and then I'm also going to be bringing in these Gina Marie designs. That was just a freebie from a previous order. So let's go ahead and make some cards. Card number 1, I'm going to be using a sketch by Paper Play Sketches. It's number 16. And I'll link their blog down in the description box below. I'm using Barely Art Wet Glue today, and Jamie does sell Barely Art Wet Glue in the shop as well at the Not Too Shabby Shop. So if that's something you're interested in, I know sometimes it's kind of hard to find. Sometimes they run out at the Barely Art website. So you can always stock up and get it from Jamie as well now. So I'm using sketches today. Sometimes it's nice to just pull out sketches, and that way you don't really have to think too much about how you're going to make your card. That's what I'm doing in today's video. Now, some of my sketches don't look exactly like the way that the sketch was laid out. The good thing about sketches is you can always use it for inspiration. You don't have to always follow it key to key. You can always just use it for inspiration, which is what I'm doing in here in this video. So I'm going to finish off my first card with a few embellishments from those enamel dots, and here is my first card. Again, that was Paper Play Sketches number 16. So it looks pretty close to what the original sketch was calling for. Now for card number 2, I'm going to do another sketch. This one's going to be number 30 from Paper Play Sketches. So, and you can see there my little design was kind of falling apart, but when the final card will look a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down my mat. And one of the neat things that I liked about this sketch is that I could actually use the 2-inch strips to finish off this card, which if you're familiar with an A2 size card, you cut your width of your card mat down to 4 inches if that's the size that you're using. So you'll have a 2-inch strip left over on the side if you have a 6-inch sheet of paper, which is what I'm using here. So this is perfect to make some cards and not have a ton of scraps left over, because you're going to be using the part of the paper for the mat and then the other part to make these strips, whether it's the banner or the extra little strip that's on the right hand side. So here is my second card. I'm going to add some enamel dots just to kind of finish it off. I add a few here and there, and that is my second card. And here this was the sketches number 30, Paper Play Sketches number 30. So super cute. Now for this third card, I went off a little bit further off cuff. I had this little bitty strip left over from cutting my mat, and then I had some little scraps left over. So you'll see here, this does not look hardly not exactly at all like the sketch, but it's close enough. And so my strip was a little bit thinner, but that's what I had left over. I only put 2 boxes because that's all I had left over from my scraps, and I didn't want to cut into a new sheet of paper. So rather than follow the sketch true to form, I went ahead and just used what I had. But I think in the end, this card still turns out pretty cute, and I think it works. And again, it's great to just use these sketches as inspiration, or if you have the time and can cut everything down, you can always follow it true to key and make exactly the way that the sketch looks. So I'm adding my image. Now on this one, my sentiment was kind of long, and you've seen me do this in previous videos this month so far. I'm cutting up my sentiment, kind of just bubble cutting it around, and then I'm going to add it into a few words into each of those boxes. I think to me that looked a little bit better than having it long ways either in the middle or at the bottom of the card. That was my card number 3. Here was sketch number 21 that I followed from Paper Play Sketches. So again, I made 3 cards using sketches in today's video. Here's my first card. Super, super cute. Here's my second one. And here is the third card. And again, today I was showcasing the Stampin' Die set of the month from Not Too Shabby called SweetHearts. It is still available, I believe. So if you want to get this, hop on over. I'm also showcasing the December paper pad subscription. And again, I believe that's still available. So make sure you check out that website link that I'm going to link down below, as well as a discount code that you can use on some of the items over at the Not Too Shabby shop. So thanks for visiting, everyone. Hope you subscribe, like this video, follow me on Instagram. Here are a couple of videos I think you might enjoy. And as always, happy crafting.